Hello, this experiment is no light is not right. For this experiment, you will need 2 small test tubes, your test tube holder, your water-absorbing polymer crystals, your measuring spoon, tweezers, and beaker. From home, you'll just need to supply a packet of fast-growing seeds and some water. Into each of the test tubes, add 1 small spoonful of your fast-absorbing polymer crystals. Then add 15 milliliters of water to each test tube. Test tube 1 and test tube 2. After that, you'll add some seeds into each of the test tubes. Use your tweezers so that you don't get any of the oils from your fingertips onto the seeds. Now wait a few days for the sprouts to begin to grow. After that, take one of your test tubes and place it inside of a dark box in a corner. Take the other test tube and put that near a window. Record results in your My Scientific Discoveries booklet. Which is better, light or no light?